Hi, greetings. Let me share something interesting, which most of the clients were requesting. How should we do? How do we join your paid subscription with the lowest cost? So this video is going to help you to understand more specific on how one can use a paid services at zero cost. Yep. So when you log into a portal, so this is our home screen. Uh, This is our home screen. Now here there is an option called a share and earn. Okay. Click this. You will find two options. There is a real cash and a cons coin. Okay. So there is something called your refer link. So you click this, you'll find this link. This link is very specific. It does not contain your name and this cannot be duplicated again. So you can just select this link, copy and paste anywhere on your WhatsApp, Facebook, or wherever you want messages, email, you can do it. And any of your friends or relative who clicks this link and get themselves registered to our portal, normally you can see them who are those clients was coming go into ConsCoin, and immediately you can see those clients who have clicked your name and verified their mobile and email ID. They need to specifically has to verify. If they're not verified, it will show you it's not verified. Once it has been verified, both email and mobile number, you'll automatically get a 300 rupees ConsCoin. One client who gets email and mobile verified, you'll get a 300 rupees ConsCoin, and that tracks you can just see over here, the earning part. So what is a ConsCoin? You can just see that just click here, you can just read the information more. And there is something called a real cash. Now, for example, any of your clients referred is using our paid services by paying a real cash, then probably you can see their orders, what they have purchased, and how many users they have you have in your portal, and what is your earning ability. In case they purchase, you can see their orders, and you can see their commission also coming to you, your bank account directly. So we have two options. One is the moment client uses the referral link and just get registered to our portal just by verifying their email ID and mobile number, immediately you get per person 300 cons coin, and as and when it increases, your coins get accumulated, and based on this coin you can use any of our services across into a portal absolutely free. So let's go ahead and make use of these services if you want it. Thank you very much.